Hey, welcome back. I'm Josh from Meadows Mirth Farm. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm working with some onions, and I'm going to be making an onion fritter with a spiced aioli. It's really easy to make and it is so delicious. Check it out. Alright, I've got about 3 medium onions here that I'm going to cut into small but sort of mostly concerned about keeping them nice and even pieces. I'm going to put those in saute them just so they start to get a little bit of color. Not going too far. You can see nice color there. Then I'm going to set those aside and let them cool and start making my aioli. For that, I'm taking one egg yolk, just the yolk, and I'm going to start adding one drop. I have about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil measured out. I'm going to add one drop at a time and speed this up a little bit till I've used about half of the mixture. One drop at a time. And keep whisking. And then I can drizzle in the rest of the olive oil a little faster. I'm going to add my spice packet. You can check out the spice profile on my website. And I'm going to add some salt, and I added a little bit of lime juice just to taste. Just taste it and see if you like what it tastes like. It's kind of a curry spice. It's really, really nice. Look at that, coming together really nicely. So now my aioli's done. I'm going to make the batter for my onions. I'm going to take about a half a cup of flour, teaspoon of baking powder, and some salt. Then I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm going to add one egg, about 1/3 of a cup of milk, and I'm going to mix that all together until you get like a nice thick pancakes type batter. I'm going to fold in the onions, and then we're going to be ready to start frying our onions. Mix that up well and start frying onions. So I have a neutral frying oil, about 1 inch of oil. I'm just going to drop the onion fritters in there. Cook about 3 minutes on each side until nice and golden brown. Cooking up nicely. I don't put too many in a pan at once, just like 2 or 3. Then I'm going to flip those after 3 minutes. Cook them for another 3 minutes. And really then drain on a paper towel and you're good to go. Alright, my onion fritters are done. That's actually fun to make. Everything to make is fun to make. Let's try this out. Oh my goodness. The crunchiness of the onions, the sweet sort of citrusy of the aioli. Wow, that is really, really good. Try this one out. I think you're going to like it. So until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. Try this again. I totally double dip. Gosh.